Okay, so in this video, I'd like to cover a nice setup that's occurring in the US dollar against the Singapore dollar right now. You can see that we currently have the daily chart here. We're in a strong downtrend, as you can see here. Currently in sort of an up leg of this major downtrend. We've had another one earlier. Okay, so now let's jump down to the 4-hour chart. And okay, so here we go. It's the 4-hour chart. As you can see, this is what we're looking at. We're seeing what's called, some people call it a pennant, but personally I call it a triangle. And it's as close to a textbook triangle as you can get. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches so far. Okay, now this, we could get, we could get a bounce off here, and it could come down again. We don't know what's going to happen right now. What we've got to do is just wait and see. So, personally, I don't generally play. I don't generally play inside bounces like this. I mean, this one down here would have been a fantastic bounce. But like I said, I don't generally play these. My preference is not to play a breakout, but to actually play a retrace of the breakout. I want to see some sort of confirming price action here. Perhaps a pin bar or an outside bar, something like that. But either way, I mean, like I said, we're on the daily chart. We'll go back up to that now. Like I said, on the daily chart, we are in a significant downtrend. So ideally, we'd be looking for a continuation down. We'd be looking for perhaps you could play a breakout down here, or ultimately a retrace, and continue with the trend. There's a good chance that it could break up first, and if it failed, now playing failed patterns is that they can be very high probability. So you could watch, see this fail, come back inside, and when it breaks this side of the range, you've got a great chance of getting a good move there. That's really it just now. Hopefully I'll post an update to this later on, but this is something for you to watch right now. And this video, it's not just for the current moment. It is timeless, because you will see these patterns occur over and over again. Perhaps not many as perfect as this, but you just bide your time. You will almost certainly get a trade opportunity, but just don't jump the gun. Okay, I mean, like I said, if you're aggressive, you could play. Hold on, let's draw on this chart again. If you're aggressive, let's just to recover our tracks. You could play a sell there. You place your stop loss above there, and you could aim certainly for the middle of the channel and perhaps to the other side, and hopefully at a breakout. That's the ultimate. But if you're not so aggressive, you could play a breakout. So once price reaches just outside the triangle, bang, you could do that. Or should it reach the other side, bang, down there. For the conservative among you, and that includes me, the ultimate would be a breakout, retrace, some sort of price action there, and a continuation. We'll cover targets and things like that later on. Sorry, I should say in a subsequent video, if if this kind of trade pans out, or this potential trade pans out, how it in terms of probability is likely to do. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. Click the link below and just go to our website. You'll see on offer there a 24-part video course, completely free. You just download it. You know, all I ask is for your name and email. Small price to pay. And you know, you'll if you're new to all this, you know, that course will get you bang up to speed